AM's Rollman 1520 industrial laminator has just got a hot upgrade. What is a laminator? A laminator applies a plastic adhesive either through cold bond adhesive or hot bond adhesive to almost any surface, and this ensures an extra layer of protection against the elements and any general wear and tear. Now, there are two types of ways to apply this, either through the hot bond adhesive, which is usually done by adding heat to the plastic to add onto your surface. The second option is the cold press lamination. This does not add any heat to the surface, but does the exact same. Both options are great, but whilst the heat press film is generally cheaper, certain inks and materials can melt and sometimes run while applying heat from the elements. Cold press, on the other hand, is easy to use and is great for everyday use, and it also provides an excellent finish, and cold press makes up nearly 90% of users out there. Both are great options, hot and cold. So which do you choose? Well, with AM's Rollman 1520, you don't have to. Our hot new upgrade makes sure that you can do hot laminating or cold laminating. The choice is yours. AM's Rollman 1520 now features a 2000 kilowatts heating element with an adjustable temperature control of up to 50 degrees Celsius. And of course, AM's upgraded Rollman 1520 still makes use of a strong wear-resistant high-density rubber roller that ensures great results. It also has a pneumatic lifter and press down feature, which ensures even pressing of the roller across the entire width of the material. This is done with a robust silent air compressor, which is a standard feature when you get your Rollman 1520 laminator from us at AM, free of charge. And there you go. AM's new Rollman 1520 can do just about any project under 20mm thick. So whether you prefer hot laminating or cold laminating, you no longer need two machines to do it. This upgrade does both of them for you. Need more information? Contact us on 060 600 6000.
At AM.CO.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.